Hello everyone, the milk-picking gearbox is here again. This is the first batch of Sandeca gearboxes equipped with F16S 2-to-1. All parts are imported from Germany. With German man. Renault DAF and other well-known European models use the same gearbox. Its excellent shifting smoothness and quality are widely recognized by the market. It is also CF's world-renowned heavy-duty commercial vehicle transmission. This gearbox has traveled a total of 1.4 million kilometers so far, some time ago. I had an emergency cabinet repair at a local service station recently. The gearbox has been making abnormal noises in half gears and is accompanied by shifting gears. Let's open it and analyze it. Open the trunk and you will see that the oil stain is in a state of serious deterioration. It is understood that the service station uses GL level 5 oil for long-term maintenance of customers. Customers don't think there will be any problems with the organization's branded oils. And the price is cheaper. As everyone knows, the CF gearbox is a synchronizer structure. Stock grade 5 oil will corrode the synchronizer due to its high flow rate. This will shorten the lifespan of Tongfeng. Here we emphasize again, whether it is a 16-speed manual or a 12-speed automatic transmission, whether you are using mineral oil or fully synthetic oil, the manufacturer's recommended oil grades are straight beamform. We can see that the friction material of this synchronization ring has fallen off. The sliding sleeve has been worn into deep steps. The half-speed slider and the half-speed sliding sleeve have been dry grinding. High temperature of sliding sleeve. Only half of the slider is left. This may still be related to the previous maintenance. It may also be caused by improper handling of sharp tools by the customer. The synchronized cone bone of the third and fourth gears was directly broken into pieces. You must know that these synchronizers are imported from Germany. A set of several thousand keys. Generally speaking, synchronizers imported from scrap vehicles will only wear out, rarely breaks. Imported Manta transmissions of the same type can travel 1.5 million or even 2 million kilometers without major repairs. Why, to put it bluntly, is the value of a vehicle relatively high.